Okay, so here's the box from Amazon. Now I'm going to open this box because that's what everyone on YouTube is doing. So here we go. Easy peasy. How considerate of them. They put a nice little bubble bag in case something happens to the product. The perfect size for this product. So thank you, Amazon, for being considerate. Very slimmer than I expected. So I'm just going to open this now. Hopefully it should open just fine now. Pick up. Okay. Now what? Do I just, if your iPad is loose, sitting in the case, please stick the foot pad in the corner of the case. So the iPad could be loose around the corners depending on what model the iPad is, I suppose. Okay. Are they somehow related to Amazon? Because the font and graphics look awfully similar to Amazon.com. Here's the user manual in English. Thank God for that. Not really digging the layout, the design of the manual. It looks a little too okay. Clearly something's in here. We'll check it out in a bit. I see. Okay, right. It smells like a very new plasticky product. I dig it. Factory smell. It's like a very matte finish. I guess I could get used to this. This is like, feels like one of those materials that you use on stealth jets. I dig that. Wireless keyboard. Can I open this up? It's really stiff. Let me just get rid of that. Yeah, I dig it. Yeah, I quite like the feel of the keyboard. The keys are pretty solid. It's not as squishy and jelly-like than I expected. Yeah, feels great. Does this go all the way back? Am I gonna break it? Oh, it does go all the way back. Pretty slim, I would say. Not too bad. Charge cable, of course. Come out. Thank you. Okay, it's just a standard USB charger cable. That's, well, I mean, I guess it's long enough to reach your laptop in a cafe or something, but I don't know, maybe I'm just being greedy. I would have liked it if it was actually longer than this. So here's my 6th generation 2018 iPad. I just hope it just fits perfectly. Okay, that's it. Now this was a concern for me that if I pull this back, this will tip over, but thankfully it doesn't do that, which is just great. Let's see. Oh wow, it turns 360. So you can show off your YouTube channel to your friends. Amazing stuff. This is the tablet mode, even though this is a tablet in the first place. This is apparently the gaming mode, so that you can play games like this. And this is the laptop mode, even though it's just an iPad with keyboards on it. I am genuinely impressed by this, and I feel that I'm going to make a good use out of it. And I'm also glad that I bought the black iPad, not the white one, because otherwise with this case, it would have looked horrendous. I just hate that. I just hate it when that happens. I hate it so much. I'm very glad that they didn't put like a hole here so that the Apple logo off the back of the iPad is showing. I just don't see the point of that at all. It's like everyone knows that you have an Apple product. Why would you want to show off that this is in fact an Apple? When I see people walking around, or when I see people using their white iPad with a black case, or a black iPad with a white case in a cafe, that just drives me nuts. I mean, what was the point of doing that in the first place? I mean, what was the point of purchasing the iPad in that color just so that you can purchase a different color that just doesn't go well together at all?